So next we will work on Google Search Console. Now search for Google Search Console. And now you have to add your domain here. Our domain is digital coupon code, so you will write it down here. You can continue. Now you have to add this code to your cPanel. Copy this and go back to the cPanel section. Click on domain. Where is our domain? Click on manage. Modify the zone. Add record. Type your domain address here. Click on txt and type your code. Add your code. It will take time to be authorized, so no worry. You can click on verify. It says ownership verification failed, as it will take time to verify, so just wait and see. Now you can click on verify later, or you can simply set your one of your page from here. In this way you don't need the verification segment. So here is our page. You can paste this URL prefix. You can continue. Full detail verify HTML code. HTML tag. This is the HTML tag. You can copy it and you have to paste this code to your dashboard. So go back to the dashboard, go to the setting, there is the page. So now you have to add a new plugin named insert header and footer. Install now. In this way you will install all of your required plugin. Activate and then go to the setting and insert header and footers. You have to paste the copied code here in the header. Click on save. Go back to the Google Search Console. Click on verify, checking verification. Yeah, ownership verified. Successfully we verified our Google Search Console and domain. Go to the property. So this is the dashboard of Google Search Console, and now we will work on sitemap. We have to generate a sitemap, so we will take the help from Yoast SEO. Go to General, click on Webmaster Tools. You can also paste the code here as well. XML sitemap. See the XML sitemap. Here is the XML sitemap. Basically, all of those are okay. Page, post styles, listing types, category, author sitemap. You can just copy this section and paste this one to this section, and in this way, when you will submit this, the XML sitemap will be successfully added. The status is cannot fit, and it will be active within a very short time.